How to change theme on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change theme on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and then click these 3 points here in the bottom corner and click settings and then account info, and here you will find theme. You can change it to dark or light and just click save, and that's it. That's how to change theme on Roblox mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.